Today, I'm going to inform you on prescription drug misuse in Oklahoma. We will talk about what it is, how it affects Oklahomans and the human body, and what our state can do for prevention. More than 6 million Americans aged 12 and older have used prescription drugs non-medically in the past month. Drug overdose is the leading cause of accidental death in the United States. Approximately 5,500 Americans misuse a prescription medication for the first time every day. So, what is prescription drug misuse, and how do these statistics translate to Oklahoma? Misusing prescription medication is defined as 1. Taking more than prescribed, 2. Taking medication for a reason different than prescribed, and 3. Sharing or taking someone else's medication. So how does this affect Oklahomans? In Oklahoma, an estimated 43% of drug overdose deaths involve opioids, in 2018 totaling more than 300 fatalities. Among opioid-involved deaths, those involving heroin or synthetic opioids other than methadone remained steady with 84 and 79 deaths reported in 2018. In 2018, Oklahoma providers wrote 79.1 opioid prescriptions for every 100 persons, compared to the U.S. average of 51.4 prescriptions. Here are some interesting facts. Not many people know this, but prescription opioids have an almost identical chemical structure to that of heroin, and prescription stimulants have an almost identical chemical structure to methamphetamines. So that means the way that our bodies metabolize the illicit street drugs is the same way it will metabolize the prescription drugs. So just because it's prescribed to you does not mean that it is actually 110% safe. It is something to be cautious about. This is why medical professionals should take it very seriously when prescribing these medications. So, we need a call for action. What should Oklahoma do about the problem with opioid misuse and it leading to death? One initiative that the state is taking is the State Opioid Response Initiative. This initiative focuses on education and prevention on the misuse of opioids and prescription medication. With this education, we are hoping that it will give more information to Oklahomans so that they are aware of the effects that opioids will have on them. And hopefully this will be more preventative and lead to less deaths and misuse. Outside of that, there needs to be stricter policy on prescribing opioids because the overprescribing leads to addiction. This epidemic does affect everyone, as no age range or population is immune to the addiction and the misuse of prescription drugs.